Hey there. Today I'm going to get my riding mower out and cut my lawn. It's a bit of a mess, but I've got a battery in there that's 3/4 dead. I think I reconditioned it. It seemed to take the charge and is holding the charge. You look down there somewhere, it's down there. Excuse the mess. My garage is a sty from the winter's packing. But here goes. Beauty. Okay. Yeah, she needs gas. She runs. Alright, so the rider works, but it is here. And I've got a very, very, very full garage of crap. And I gotta move that one first to get him out of there, out of here, because there's no other way but the front of the house to get my rider out. And before I do that, I'm gonna have to move all this like pump for or sand filter I bought for my pump. I got a wind turbine here I'm gonna put on to I'm gonna grow electricity. It's to generate some electricity with the air for my shed. And a bunch of crap. So I'm gonna move all this stuff, open the garage, uncover this monster, fire her up. And there's Gunner. Hi Gunner. How you doing, big guy? You're a good boy. You're my guard dog, right? Yeah. 10-month-old shepherd. He's a hoot. I love this guy. And okay, so let me get this stuff going and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, while I'm back, I'm gonna just go open the door because it's damn smoky in here from that thing firing up for the first time since the fall. Where is it? I think it's there. So, yeah. Let me go open the door and get some air in here before me and the dog die. Alright, here. Get her. Shelby day. Hang on. Don't get clattery. This is crap.